To have iPhone SIM not supported bypassed, all you have to do is read over the video. This is because we provide almost the most comprehensive solutions compared with our counterparts. Part 2. iPhone SIM not supported? Bypass it in 12 methods. Solution 1. Reinsert SIM card. Solution 2. Check if SIM card is active. Solution 3. Turn the airplane mode on and off. Solution 4. Check iPhone carriers. Solution 5. Reset network settings on iPhone. Solution 6. Make an emergency call. Solution 7. Use iTunes. Solution 8. Force restart iPhone. Solution 9. Date iOS on iPhone. Solution 10. Use IMEI unlocking service.